You want to test it out? It comes with a cushion for your neck.
Yeah. It goes in here. Wow.
Wow, what an upgrade.
I think I need just one head. I know. These are so simple, you don't even need a manual.
It's yours.
Serious.
Yes, I'm serious.
I would put like a coil spring around it so it looks like a car shock.
How long should you drive on an engine light?
You should get it checked out. If it's something minor, it can't wait.
Sit better, work harder, game louder.
I got this. So easy, even a mechanic can do it. Right there.
Make sure you watch the other chairs. The Racing Series OH RV131 in navy black. That's so pretty. And the white one. Sit better, work harder, game longer. By the way, we will be doing a giveaway with DXRacer on Mad Artist Publishing channel, so you make sure you go check it out. We're here at Revvd Motors. We're gonna give this gentleman his chair. These busy bees. How do you like working for Revvd Motors?
It's awesome.
Would you like to get your apprentice to take the chair out?
What?
It's yours.
Serious.
Yes, I'm serious.
You sure?
I don't do labor though.
You gotta move your chair forward.
How come BMWs have such slow moving chairs?
That's how it is.
Rich people are not in a hurry.
That's why I'm always in a rush.
How you like working for Revvd Motors?
I love it.
What's your name?
Jamal.
You want to probably give him a hand.
I got this. I got this. DXRacer.com.
Sit better, work harder, game louder.
I already have a gaming laptop. For your birthday, I got myself a chair.
We don't know this.
Well, he's not a girl, so we're good.
See that? See that?
That is nice. Maybe you should put them in your Jag.
Yeah, send a few more.
That's really nice.
That's why they're so big, all put together. Like the ones that I got previously, yeah, I had to put all the armrests and everything together.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What is that? Legs?
For here. Well, I'm really bad at reading instructions. I never do instructions. But we'll figure this one out. There's the instruction. And
He's gonna try and do this without instructions.
so this goes out there.
So this is how to put together a DXRacer chair with no instructions.
This looks like it goes like so. Seems to come apart.
Did that come with this?
Yeah.
I only have so many minutes, Mr. Martin, on this SD card.
So I'm just not sure if this goes like that or it goes like this. 90% sure it goes like this. These are so simple, you don't even need a manual.
So what's up with those engines over there?
Those, one's from a BMW, one's from a Mercedes, one's from a Corvette.
What's wrong with this one here?
Yeah. Soccer mom.
Soccer mom car. Don't you have some fancy power tools you could use?
Good, but this is what it came with, this is what I'm going to put it together with. We want to make sure that the customer put this together with what's supplied.
How long should you drive on a red engine light?
You should get it checked out. If it's something minor, it can't wait for...
Can't you buy one of those ODBC devices, plug them into your car and just...
Yeah, some of them are wireless. You can check it with your phone.
Do you guys have a website?
Revvmotors.com.
Yeah.
Revvd motors.com.
What's your current chair look like?
Take a look. It's bad. And goes like that. See, now this is what I would change on here. I would put like a coil spring around it so it looks like a car shock.
Oh, these are gaming chairs, not car chairs.
Yeah, but imagine how sick it would look. this walk and play?
Why don't you just do a custom add-on right now?
No, I scrapped all my. That goes like this. This should go like that.
What do you think of the quality so far?
Looks really nice, impressive. Like that. Get some wheels in here.
So when are you getting your next shop?
Few months.
How big is it gonna be?
3 times bigger than this, hopefully. If all goes well.
How much does a shop like that cost?
Well, the place we're looking at, if we're to buy it, it's 1.4 million Canadian dollars.
That's a lot of money.
Yes, it is.
Is it in?
No, it should be done within like 10 minutes or something.
Okay,
What's your name?
Adam.
And why'd you come to Revvd Motors? Over like Canadian Tire.
My friend, they recommended for about him.
So why don't you go to like Canadian Tire shops? Don't you think that they're credible and
They are just the best here. They're just like the big name is not like
not important?
professional. You have to wait a long time like that.
Yeah, here he gets stuff done right away, I guess.
Yeah.
Does he charge fair prices?
Actually, I have no idea. He gonna charge me something.
So you just come in here not even knowing how much this guy charges.
He just trusts me that it's gonna be fair.
Very unique chair. From where?
This is DXRacer, right there.
In the beginning, I thought for cars.
Right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's what it's made to look like a race car.
Yeah, exactly. I thought higher serious.
You like the chair, huh?
Oh my god.
How much are car racing seats?
Car racing? They're about $1,000.
$1,000, yeah.
A few bolts and that's it. So actually that's not a lot of work.
It looks pretty good.
And then that's a cover.
It looks like it comes over here. Does it? But does it?
Maybe it goes from underneath?
No, this is for this. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, this is this side. And this is that side.
Does this tilt back? What's this for? What are these buttons for? This comes off too?
Sorry? This is height adjustment.
So it tilts back automatically, or they gotta press it?
Sick.
There's a good
Made in US or?
Canada, actually. They're a Canadian company.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they're in Vancouver.
It's a nice chair.
You wanna test it out? It comes with a cushion for your neck.
Yeah.
It goes in here.
Wow.
And it goes with your shop collars.
I know.
Put it right there.
Right there.
And then you still got this.
It's a nice chair though.
What's this for?
I think it's like a back.
It's back support. And then you got a little pillow. I guess this goes in here. Over.
Yeah.
There you go. Wow.
Look at that, man.
That's
So sexy.
some fancy schmancy chair you got there. Revvd
It's
Motors.
so easy to install it. So easy, even a mechanic can do it without instructions. All right, roll it into the office. See how it looks.
This is what we're replacing. Wow, what an upgrade. This is what happens when you don't read instructions. These are the legs that go on this.
Yeah, exactly. So if you want to, if you don't like black, then you make it gray.
It just makes the office look so much better. So there you guys go. Thanks so much to DXRacer. Check them out on DXShares.com. Like, share, and subscribe. And I guess check out Rev Motors. Check out RevMotors.com. Thank you for watching. Make sure you watch the other chairs. The Racing Series OH RV131 in navy black. That's so pretty. And the white one. Sit better, work harder, game longer. By the way, we will be doing a giveaway with DXRacer on Mad Artist Publishing channel, so you make sure you go check it out.